If your habits aren't sticking, this might be why. Now, have you ever planned the perfect morning routine or filled out a whole month of habits in your planner only to watch it unravel by day 2 or 3 or week 2 into the month? Now, it's not because you're lazy or unmotivated, okay? It's because you made routines and habits for the version of yourself you wish you were or an ideal version of you, not the reality of life that's actually happening around you right now. Whether you're planning a daily routine or mapping out your whole month, there's one mindset shift that'll make it all actually stick. And in this video, I'll share 3 real reasons your habits aren't working and how to fix them. So if you've ever felt like you're failing just trying to stick to basic self-care habits, you're not alone. This video is for you. And if you stay until the end, I've got a bonus tip that changed everything for me. Let's go. I used to set up the prettiest habit trackers, color-coded, washi-taped, you name it. Each week I'd tell myself, okay, Marianne, wake up at 5 a.m., work out for 30 minutes, eat healthy, no junk food, don't buy those bag of Doritos, and journal 5 things I want to accomplish first thing in the morning. And that was just before 7 a.m. But what happens by midweek? I don't do them. And then I start to feel like a failure. Not because I didn't care or wasn't trying. I really was. I tell myself, okay, I got to do a workout today, but then wouldn't do it. Why? Because I was exhausted from real life, managing my boys' school stuff, work deadlines for my content creation, and just feeling so drained. I was designing habits for the ideal me, not the real me. The one who gets overwhelmed, who is gung-ho for the first 1 or 2 days, and then self-doubt creeps in. Now, once I realized that my habit trackers did not take into account life happening around me, everything shifted. And I started actually sticking to the small things that mattered. Now, your day-to-day planner isn't a vision board. So a vision board is meant to inspire the big picture, who you're becoming, what you're working toward. But your daily planner is about supporting the version of you that's here right now. It's where you meet your current energy level, your schedule, your circumstances, not your ideal self on her best ever day who is motivated all the time, 100% full of energy, and no out of the blue emergency ever pops up. There's room for both, but confusing the two is what often leads burnout and routines that never stick. So instead of asking, what's the perfect routine? Ask, what would actually feel good and doable in my real life? So for instance, if morning routines are hectic, perhaps your self-care routine is better in the evening. Adjusting your habits to your actual lifestyle is going to help increase the likelihood of consistency. Now, if you're getting a few aha moments right now, make sure to hit that like button. This will help me make videos that resonates with you. Sometimes the problem isn't you. It's the system or the habits you have set. Match your habits to your season of life. If you hate doing workouts in the morning, block off time for an after lunch walk instead. Too tired for a full morning routine? Just try a 3-minute stretch before coffee and call it a win. Want to start journaling? Then keep a pen and paper by your bedside for a 2-minute night reflection. Make sure to design habits around how you work best. So what's the trick? Shrink your habits until they're so easy to do. Here's some examples. Instead of go for a 30-minute run, make the habit put on sneakers and walk to the mailbox. Instead of read 10 pages a day, try open the book and read 1 paragraph. Instead of meditate for 15 minutes, try take 3 deep breaths before opening your planner. Or instead of be more positive, try write 1 thing that went okay today. Doing the bare minimum builds confidence. Momentum beats perfection. Now here's the bonus tip. Use visual cues in your environment. Leave your yoga mat out. Put your water bottle on your desk. Put your journal and a pen on your pillow. Leave your book open on your bedside table, not tucked away on the shelf. Maybe add a calming sticker or reminder card inside your planner cover that says, pause, breathe, Or keep a small notepad or sticky notepad on your desk or bedside table labeled Today's Win. Your brain needs reminders that feel natural, not forced. And speaking of visibility, a habit tracker is one of the easiest ways to actually see your progress. If you've never used one before, it can be a total game changer, especially when you're building new routines, because it gives you a clear picture of what's working and helps you stay consistent even on your busy days. Now you can grab my habit tracker printable download from my shop, or you can grab my simple habit tracker for free, no fluff, just an easy way to stay on track and keep your habits visible. Make sure to check the link in the description. And if you're ready for a deeper support, make sure to join the waitlist for my Plannerettes Inner Circle. It's a new membership I'm creating that helps you go from overwhelmed, inconsistent, and stuck to feeling clear, calm, and creatively in control of your life through intentional planning, habit tracking, and joyful self-care, all while being supported by a like-minded community. Now, in the meantime, make sure to check out this next video right here where I review a complete habit tracker.